That's not
What
weird.
what kind of pictures were you thinking she was going to send?
Keep the air fryer clean. Also, keep the pictures. Everybody, stay clean. Stay clean. Keep the air fryer clean. Oh, Jesus Christ. This podcast could get you in a lot of trouble.
Oh my God. No day phones.
What I meant was, my daughter's at uni and their kitchen is like a bomb site. So.
Oh my God.
Oh, I think we've ended this very badly from what was going spectacularly well, I thought.